Consonants. Consonants are letters that are produced by partially or fully blocking airflow using the lips, teeth, tongue, or throat. There are 21 consonant letters in English. Consonants form the structure of words and help create meaning by adding charity to vowel sounds. So let's practice with consonants. 21 letters. First letter is B. Okay. Example ball. C. C. Punctuation is here. Example cat. D. Example dog. F. Fish. So you can read this example. So we can discuss about the summary of consonants. Okay. The English alphabet has 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Okay. Vowels from the sound code of words. Consonants give structure to words. Knowing the sounds of both helps in a punctuation, spelling, and reading. Example: the word dog has a 1 vowel O and 2 consonants D and G.